You look at Salah, Mo Salah, he has been misfiring. Same thing with Alexander Isak. They have both been misfiring. A lot of reasons why I think Mo Salah has been misfiring for Liverpool this season could be down to some factors. Maybe 3-4 factors. One of them being that he's had to play in front of different right backs or wing backs this season. Unlike, the usual Trent Alexander-Arnold, that he formed some kind of partnership and understanding with before he went to Real Madrid. And now this season, Mo Salah has played in front of Jeremy Frimpong, Conor Bradley, Dominic Szoboszlai, and briefly ahead of Wataru Endo. He's just all over the place. These guys don't understand the runs he makes. And Slot has to fix that right back situation. If you want to play Frimpong, stick with him. If it's going to be Conor Bradley, make sure you stick with him. So they can form that sort of understanding between them and Mo Salah. Not changing things every now and then. Jeremy Frimpong was nominated for Bundesliga Player of the Season last season. You can't buy him and just keep him on the bench. So Mo Salah is having all sort of problem. Another factor I would say is the problem for Mo Salah could also be the front line as well, without Luis Diaz and Diogo Jota. When you look at what Luis Diaz and Diogo Jota did for Liverpool, especially last season, it is that pressing, because they've got the legs, they've got the agility, they've got the energy to press. It was always Luis Diaz and Jota always starting the press. And when they get that loose ball, they feed it onto Mo Salah to latch onto and score goals. This season, that gang pressing from Liverpool has been lacking. So they are definitely missing Diogo Jota, of course, obviously, may his soul rest in peace. They are missing Luis Diaz and also the right back situation. All of these things are the contributory factor or factors to why Mo Salah is misfiring this season. And the manager has to sort that out. Because we know there's a player in there, his best years are not behind him. We all know that. He was still scoring goal for Egypt as a place in the World Cup. So I don't know what Arne Slot is doing with these guys in training, but he has to sort that out. And the next one will have to be Florent